we will be doing here is splicing 900 micron tight buffer onto an SC connector, splice on connector from Diamond. We'll be needing the following tools to do the job. The first step is to fit the boot of the connector. If you do not do this in the beginning, you will not be able to fit it on afterwards. Second step, what we need to do is to strip the 900 primary coating first, and then the 250 micron secondary coating. Can you see that? The next step is clean the fiber till it squeaks. Now we need to cleave the fiber. For this application, it's important to cleave to the correct length, because when you load the fiber, you must make sure that you load it so that the 900 buffer finishes right on the edge of the clamping pad. This is the clamping pad. If we finish the 900 straight on the edge, we know that we'll be cleaving exactly to 5 millimeters, like that. Next step, we have to load this into the fusion splicer. After this, we need to load the 2.5 millimeter ferrule into the ferrule holder. Open the protection and load this into the fusion splicer. Once that's done, all we have to do is splice.
Right. Now, before printing it, print on the camera. Go to print.
Once that is done, once the splice is complete, just open the windshield and the machine will perform a tension test to ensure that the splice is of good quality. We will have to release the right hand side and transfer the entire splice into the splice protector and close the lid. The next step is to remove little paper pieces and close the crocodile, taking care at this point to make sure that the crocodile closes properly. And this is very important so that we can hermetically seal the fusion splice. When we look at this, we should be able to see that it's clamped around. Yes? The final step of the connectorization is we need to use the SC assembly tool. Insert the housing of the SC connector into the SC assembly tool. Take the ferrule, remove the universal ferrule cap, and insert this into the SC housing. If done correctly, you'll hear a little click. This is unidirectional, it can only fit one way into the connector. Release the connector and you'll see that the connector has been completed. All that remains is for us to fit the connector boot and obviously a connector cap to protect the ferrule. This completes an SC 900 micron connectorization.